What's good, guys? This is Yash. Welcome to another episode of Weekly Outlook. In this series, we will be decoding major forex pairs. We'll be talking about gold, euro, USD, DXY, pound dollar, odd USD, and New Zealand dollar. Right. So, without wasting any further time, let's quickly dive into the analysis and let's see what we can expect in the coming week. And I'll give you a fair idea of what we can expect in coming months as well. So, let's start with this. We have gold. So looking at gold, what has happened is we have went above the previous swing high of, this is 18th of April, and after after they breaking that particular level high, we have had a minor break of market structure, which means the order flow has turned from bullish to bearish. Right now, I have a very simple bias for this week that if we are going to protect 2009, I've mentioned this on my Telegram as well. Make sure you guys are following me on Telegram and Twitter both. I try to keep you guys posted on both of these platforms, so make sure you're following me over there. Right, so yeah, the structure has been broken and it looks like until 2009.85 is protected on gold, we can expect a downside, we can expect a reversal, and the correction could be as low as maybe 1950 or even lower than that. Right, so there's a very high probability that if we do not break 2009, we can land up into a bigger demand area this time, which could be maybe lower into the 1800 region. Right, so I am just looking for opportunities to short unless and until 2009 is protected. If I go on a smaller time frame on 30 minutes, from an intraday point of view, we do have some untested supply area right here. Right, so you can look for short opportunities if at all you get a pullback. In other case, I would say that let price simply flow down. On any pullback, try to sell it again back into the demand area. You can easily target these particular levels, which is 1966. You can easily target 1965, 64 odd levels if in case you get any short opportunity. So let's quickly move on to Euro USD. So last week I had mentioned very clearly that on any currency paired with dollar, just try to buy on the dip, right? And from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we had a bullish market structure, and on Thursday is where we started reversing back down, right? So I mentioned very clearly, we unless and until we reach a major supply area, just try to buy on dip. That is all you have to do, and then short from the supply area itself. So again, I had posted this short on my signals channel as well, on my Telegram. You can go check it out. This now looks like if at all we get any pullback, again we will see a break of these lows. It's a very high probability because market will not respect one particular demand over a period of time. Right, it's been what now, 1 2 3 taps into this particular demand area. Now if at all we come once again into this region, it's a very high probability we can continue to break below and go down into other major demand areas which needs to be tested. If I go on a daily time frame, there's a very clean trap that we have had on Thursday. Basically, understand the market behavior in this order. Monday was bullish. People, when day high previous day high broke on Tuesday, people must have bought positions and they have enjoyed profits. Again, same with Tuesday. When Tuesday's high got broken, extreme bullishness was seen in the market, and somebody must have tried to repeat the uh, same scenario once again on Thursday, but of course this time it did not work, and this is the reason why I gave a shot, because it was a classic trap. When we break above a previous day high, there's a very high chance that we will reverse back down again. So I that is why my bias was very simple to give a short opportunity over here, right? So now what I'm expecting is this looks like a simple expansion towards the supply area, so just interested to short this again. You can simply wait for any price action into this supply area and target anything lower than this particular low. So easily you can target this, or even lower than this. Yeah, any low below this would be a good target. There is an untested demand area right here which we haven't tested. So ideally try to keep your target right here, right at the low of this particular swing low. Yep. So yeah, overall, it looks pretty much bearish. Just keep selling on pullbacks unless and until we don't break. Let's say we don't break this particular supply level itself. It would be ideal to keep selling on any pullback on Euro USD and also on gold. And eventually, you will also see a break of all these trend line liquidity that is being created. We will definitely see a break below all of these lows. So yeah, I am expecting that this week might be very volatile because uh, it's month end, and there's a very and the dates that I had mentioned, that 21st of March plus minus 2 days, so 23rd March we got a top over here, swing top, and we are seeing a very good reversal in the markets. If I show you DXY, so DXY has formed a bottom over here and is trying to reverse back down. If I go on a 4 daily time frame, so we have just tapped into the significant demand area on 23rd of March, and now we are pushing higher, right? So there's a very so factors are aligning that currencies might correct in coming days, coming weeks. So yeah, I would be very much interested to look for short positions only. Let's take a look at GBP USD. So GBP USD, again, I think very similar price action to Euro USD. Uh, Bullish price action, and then Thursday was when we trapped the buyers by breaking previous day's high but reverse back down aggressively, right? So you can again expect prices to continue lower until at least until this particular demand area. This high can be easily met, right? So after once we break this, then it's a clear journey until this particular point. So I would again have a very simple bias. Unless and until the highs are protected, keep selling. Once the highs are broken, all you have to do is wait for pullbacks and buy. I mean, it's very obvious, very simple. What do you have to do? Let's take a look at odd USD. Before that, let's find any simple trade if we have on. Okay, very similar to Euro USD. We have this supply area. Let's go on a smaller time frame. Perfect. So we have the supply area, right? Simply wait for prices to tap into the supply area, target the lows of these 1.21898 levels. That's it. Easy trade for you. It's what, like 50-60 pips, done for the day, done for the week probably. Anyway, let's come to our USD weekly time frame. So yeah, as I mentioned in the previous videos as well, the pullback that we had seen, the aggressive buying that we had witnessed, it was nothing to be worried about. So we were simply tapping into a supply region. We tapped, and price is currently has given a very beautiful reaction on the downside. I guess I had mentioned that until this high is protected, you can short. Let's see, why did I mark that? Okay, so it's a simple supply high, recent supply high that I had marked, and I was expecting that prices will continue to drop until that is protected. And yeah, pretty much that is what has happened. We have also broken structure. So definitely this looks bearish Any pullback that comes in the market, any bullish move that you see, try to sell it from any good resistance level that you have. New Zealand dollar, beautiful, looks like a very clean stop hunt and a structured break. Let's go on a weekly. Okay, this is very sideways price action. This not on a monthly. Yeah, looks weak. I think on New Zealand dollar, all you have to do is again follow a very simple bias. Just go with the trend. If other pairs are looking bearish, follow the same steps in these, because we have got enough liquidity from the top and we have broken structure as well. So to me, it looks a very satisfactory reversal again. 23rd March, beautiful. Uh, Now you can expect a very clean downfall again, because we have been expanding a lot. You see this, people who trade based on trend line will call this, like prices, they are taking support of this particular trend line and now they'll bounce up. But let me tell you, it's not going to happen. We are definitely going to break this trend line, and the immediate low that we will meet is this. Anything lower than this, if not this. So yeah, I guess this is a very simple week in my opinion. However, I'm expecting some volatility because this is month end, and generally there will be some volatility. Also, that we are forming a significant top, looks like a top at least until now. So I'm expecting volatility will be there, but just follow simple risk management rules. Try to take stop losses as and when necessary, and make sure that you are in the trend, right? You try to sell, try to find opportunities to sell. I'm sure even if you do this simple thing, you will benefit out of it. And if there are any changes, make sure you follow me on Twitter at YASSHH7, and I will keep you guys posted over there and also on my Telegram channel. I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.